Hey, what's up, big group? I hope you all are very, very excited about your businesses and have a positive expectation for the future, and you have really been thinking big about the potential of where your business can go, and not only where it can go, but absolutely where you will take it, where you've made a decision for it to go. And so, with network marketing, we build our businesses from event to event. Hey George, been waiting to get in touch with you. Give me a call. So we build our businesses from event to event. So on August the 24th, we're having another event in Baltimore for you to plug into, to grow your business with intention and to make money from this event. So tonight at 8 p.m., we're going to have a planning call for our next tea, coffee, and fitness mixer happening in Pikesville, Maryland. So we want the whole team to come together so that we can plan, organize, strategize, and do everything that we need to do to help to be on board on this crusade, be on one accord in getting Baltimore healthy. And when we work to get Baltimore healthy, Baltimore and surrounding areas, that's the platform that we're using, we're helping to grow your business. We're helping to get Baltimore healthy. We're helping you to have more sales. We're helping to get Baltimore healthy. We're helping to spread the word so that more people can talk about the tea, which gives you more sales. More people can talk about this phenomenal coffee. More people can talk about their energy. More people can talk about how they're making money, which all leads back to you and your team doing more business. So we want to really create a buzz in the area. So Teresa Reed is hosting this event at her gym on August the 24th. So be on the call tonight at 8 p.m. That number is 712-432-0900. Again, 712-432-0900. And the PIN number is 125475#. Tell your team, and you come with pen and paper ready, not just to take notes, but to participate. I'm going to be in the background because I'm going to push you guys more into a leadership role. Because if you want to make the $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month or more, even $5,000 a month, if you want common checks, you've got to position yourself as a leader in this industry. And so I'm going to decrease so that you all can increase. That's right. This is the eagle pushing her babies out of the nest. So I'm excited about this tea, coffee, and fitness mixer. And wherever you are in the country, you should be wanting to know about this event so that you can plug in, invite people, and grow your business from you inviting people. So again, tell your team, spread the word, tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is just a little over an hour. Be on the call, 712-432-0900, and the PIN number is 125475#. I'll see you on the call. Bye-bye.